Hi everyone, I'm going to talk about window cleaning pouches today. This is mine here, I got it from Aldi, but the main reason I'm going to talk about them today is that if you use a bottle on belt like this, you use this to wet your squeegee, some of the pouches will tend to collapse and you can't get your bottle in very easy, or they've got a little inner pouch like that which gets in the way. You can either cut that out or you can do what I'm going to do now. I mean, not all pouches are this rigid anyway, this is quite a good one, but if your pouch is getting all sloppy, all you need to do is get an old milk container, although if you've got a bigger pouch, right, you might need a bigger piece of plastic than this. You just have to use imagination. But this is the principle, okay? This just happens to fit what I'm going to do. You just stuff that in there, okay, like so, and that pushes the other bit out of the way. Keeps the pouch open better, and just drops in dead easy then. It's not going to catch on it or anything. So that's just a tip for today. Just use your imagination. Probably think of something else, do a better job than that, but I'm going to try that tomorrow anyway, and perhaps I won't get as frustrated with it. So there you go, job done.